My name is Jannika and I am your German teacher. Today I would like to teach you the conjugation of the verb sein in the present tense. So have fun! So let's start. Konjugation von sein im Präsens. Conjugation of sein in the present tense. The infinitive, der Infinitiv, ist sein. The infinitive form is sein. So let's start. First person. Ich bin. I am. Ich bin. Second person. Du bist. You are. Ich bin, du bist. Ich bin, I am, du bist, you are. Dritte Person, third person. Er ist, he is. Sie ist, she is. Es ist, it is. I know it is a little bit difficult to pronounce. The third person is ist. So is is and with a T ist. Again, er ist, sie ist, es ist. Okay, let's repeat the whole singular forms. Ich bin. Du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. And once more. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. Let's go to the plural forms. Wir sind. We are. Wir sind. We are. Ihr seid. Ihr seid. You are. So, and as you can see here in English, it's the same form as in the singular form. You are means du bist, but you are also can mean ihr seid. So in German you have to distinguish between the singular form and the plural form. It's a really big difference. If I talk to one person, I would say du bist. But if I talk to a group, I would say ihr seid. And the third person in the plural, sie sind. With a small letter, sie sind. They are. And we have one more, sie sind, which is the polite form for du bist. Sie sind is the polite form for du bist. So let's read out once more again. You read with me. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. So, I resume once more. What are the differences? The differences from German to English, as we can see clearly here. In English, you have 3 times you are. Du bist, you are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie sind, you are. Du bist, we use when we talk to a friend. Sie sind, you are when we talk to somebody we don't know. Or to a person, especially to a person which has some authority, a teacher, a policeman, or somebody like that. Yeah, and ihr seid we use when we talk to a group of our friends, example giving. Okay, our last time we will read out and practice together. Ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. Let's practice a little bit what we just learned. Here I have a few exercises for you. So let's start. We have to fill the right form of the verb sein into the phrases. So the first phrase, Hallo, ich, Paul. So somebody probably wants to say, hey, I am Paul. Ich, the conjugation was ich bin. Ich bin. Ich bin Paul. Wer, du. Wer, take care, false friend in English. Where does not mean where. Yeah, it does not mean where. It means who. Wer, who. Wer, du. So, somebody wants to ask, who are you? Du? Oh, let me think. Ich bin, du bist. Ah, wer bist du? Who are you? Wer bist du? Ich, Johanna. Ich bin Johanna. Nummer 2, number 2. Ich, Frau Schiller. Easy. Ich bin Frau Schiller. Wer, sie. Wer, you already know. Who, sie. So, sie with a capital letter also means you, but it is a formal way. It is a polite form, and the conjugation was not bist. Du bist, but in the polite style, sie sind. So we have to fill in sind. Wer sind Sie? Who are you? Polite form. Ich bin Frau Schiller. I am Miss or Mrs. Schiller. Wer sind Sie? Who are you? Ich, Herr Tang. I, Mr. Tang. So, also easy. Ich bin. Ich bin Herr Tang. I am Mr. Tang. Phrase number 3. Das, Jörg. So anybody wants to say or wants to introduce somebody to us. Das, Jörg. So this is Jörg. We need the third person singular. Ich bin, du bist, er ist. Er ist. Das ist Jörg. This is Jörg. If it's too difficult to pronounce, you can say George. Das ist Jörg. Okay. Und wer, ihr. And who, you. And who are you in the context of who are you guys? So we are talking to a group. So we have to conjugate the plural to find out what was the right form. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Ha, ihr seid. Ihr seid also means you are. Und wer seid ihr? Und wer seid ihr? And who are you? More like, and who are you guys? And the people answer, wir, Fabian und Jannika. Wir sind Fabian und Jannika. We are Fabian und Jannika. Very good. Phrase number 4. Ich, koch. Koch means cook. So somebody wants to say, I am cook. Ich bin Koch. Or I am a cook, I guess, in English. I am a cook. In German, it's without the article. We just say, ich bin Koch. Yeah, I am a cook. Ich bin Koch. Und was Sie von Beruf? Beruf means profession. So somebody asks here, and what is your profession? Was means what? So here again we have our polite form. Und was sind Sie von Beruf? Und was sind Sie von Beruf? And what's your profession in the polite form? The person answers. The person answers, ich, Bäcker. Bäcker is the person who bakes all that bread and cake. I guess it's baker also in English. And here we do have ich again. Ich bin Bäcker. So you already learned how to say your profession. You say ich bin and you just add your profession. Example giving, ich bin Koch or ich bin Bäcker. Very good. We're coming to the end slowly. Number 5. Anna da. Da means there. Can also mean over there, but here it means there. Anna da. So somebody wants to ask, is Anna there? Anna can be replaced with she, sie in the singular form. And we have to conjugate once more. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist. Ist Anna da? Is Anna there? Ist Anna da? The person answers, ja, sie, da. So she wants to answer, or he wants to answer, yes, she's here, or she is there. In German you also can say da for here as sometimes so. Yes, she is here. Ja, sie ist. Oh, wrong space. Ja, sie ist da. And the last phrase, you're almost done. Just phrase number 6. Sie, Frau Schmidt. So somebody maybe wants to ask, are you Miss Schmidt? And the person asks, Miss Schmidt. So it needs to be the formal form, the formal form, the polite form. And you already know, Sie sind. So, sind Sie Frau Schmidt? Are you Miss Smith? Sind Sie Frau Schmidt? And the other person answers, nein, no, nein, ich, Frau Schmid. No, I am Miss Schmid. I am, ich bin. Nein, ich bin Frau Schmid. So, that was your last phrase. Thank you for participating. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe you can give me a like and do not forget to subscribe the channel. I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!